Hey everybody, this is Kenny Landrum at Toyota Bowling Green. You hear this big beast behind me? It will roll coal, and I don't even know what that means, but let's take a look. 2002 Dodge Cummins. I'm gonna come over here and show you that this is the cleanest Dodge Ram 3500 Cummins that you've seen. I know I'm yelling. You know why I'm yelling? Because this baby sounds good. It's got a brand new chip in it. Only has 79,000 miles. It is clean. Interior is spotless. Let's take a look at the back of this vehicle. So, brand new toolbox. This is a brand new toolbox. Fifth wheel in here. Take a look at that bed. Come on down to Toyota Bowling Green and see me about this vehicle right here. It will roll coal. Once again, I don't know what that means, but it'll do it. So, come take a look at it. Ask for me, the Kenny Landrum at Toyota Bowling Green, 270-779-2819. One last look at the interior of this vehicle. It is spectacular. In spectacular shape. Come and see me today.